When considering my pet sensitivity, it's essential to understand exactly what you're getting into before you decide to buy. With a growing number of products aimed at pet care and health, you might be wondering how my pet sensitivity stacks up against the competition. In this video, I'm going to dive into 7 key things you need to know before making a purchase. Stick around till the end to get an exclusive offer, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. The first thing you'll want to know is that my pet sensitivity is designed for pet owners who want to gain insights into their pet sensitivities, especially related to food, environment, or stressors. Unlike many pet health tools that only address 1 or 2 issues, my pet sensitivity provides a more holistic approach to understanding what could be affecting your pet's well-being. I've used it with my own pets, and I've found that it gives a more rounded view of my pet's sensitivities compared to other products, which often focus on limited areas like allergies or behavioral issues alone. Next thing to consider, my pet sensitivity offers a unique set of features that stand out in the market. One of the biggest advantages is its ability to track sensitivities over time, allowing you to identify patterns and triggers. This can be a game changer for pets with recurring problems that other products simply can't help with. Plus, it gives you data-driven recommendations, which is something I haven't seen in many of its competitors. Many similar products will tell you to try a new food or medication, but without real evidence to back it up. The third thing you'll want to pay attention to is the ease of use. Many pet health tools come with complicated setups or require you to input data manually, which can be frustrating. But my pet sensitivity simplifies the entire process. You don't need to be tech-savvy to use it. It's straightforward, and the interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easier to track your pet's health without feeling overwhelmed. This is something that's been a significant downside for other products that claim to do similar things, but with clunky interfaces. The fourth thing is the level of customization it offers. My pet sensitivity tailors its recommendations based on your pet's specific sensitivities. Other products I've tried don't go as deep, offering generic solutions that may not be relevant to your pet. But with this, you'll get insights specific to your pet's needs, which is a huge benefit if you've struggled with more generic pet health tools in the past. Another key factor is the customer support. When I had a question about the product, I was able to reach out and get a response quickly, which was not the case with some of its competitors. The support team is knowledgeable and ready to assist, making it clear they care about your experience. In my opinion, this sets my pet sensitivity apart from others in the industry, where support can often be hit or miss. The sixth thing to keep in mind is its cost effectiveness. While some pet care products can come with a hefty price tag, my pet sensitivity offers a competitive price with a lot more value than most. When you compare it to other high-end pet care products, you're getting a lot more bang for your buck, especially considering the insights you'll gain into your pet sensitivities. Finally, if you're still on the fence, my pet sensitivity offers an exclusive trial that lets you test out the product before committing to a purchase. This is huge, especially since many similar products don't offer a chance to try them first. The trial allows you to see firsthand how it can improve your pet's health, and you won't have to make any long-term commitments unless you're fully satisfied. If you're ready to take the next step, I've got something special for you. You can get the best free trial offer for my pet sensitivity by clicking the first link in the description below. It's a great chance to try the product for yourself, experience the benefits, and see why it's one of the top choices for pet owners looking to understand their pets better. Remember, if you want to get the best offer and try my pet sensitivity for yourself, don't forget to click the first link in the description. You won't regret it.